Hey everyone, and welcome back. If your Zendesk tickets are chaotic, you're probably making one of these common mistakes. First, using one generic ticket form. Fix. Create separate forms for billing, tech support, and sales. Second, ignoring tags. Fix. Use consistent tags like bug or VIP customer so you can filter and report properly. Third, overloading one agent. Fix. Use round-robin assignment to distribute tickets evenly. Fourth, no macros. Fix. Create macros for common responses. One click fills the reply. Fifth, weak SLAs. Fix. Set targets for first reply and resolution. Escalate tickets at risk of missing them. Sixth, no self-service for COSC. Fix. Build a knowledge base. Use AnswerBot to suggest or to create custom views so agents know what to work on next. Fix these, and your Zendesk will go from chaotic to smooth. If you fixed one issue, let me know which in the comments. See you in the next one.